ball. Which means the goal.
Towards Hoyland. He can pose a threat. He's seeking to do so. Salgado and Roberts! On his return to Molyneux, puts Blackburn in front. What a ball by Everton, and then Hoyland makes the right call, doesn't he? Whips Delacobe up and then rolls the ball off to Salgado. This shot is struck. Striker on his toes, redirects the ball. And Blackburn Rovers have that precious goal, precious lead. Concerned, I think he'd be concerned with the first 40 minutes worth of performance his team have given him. Not been up to their recent high standards, it has to be said. Twenty coming around the back flank to pull himself out. Everton with a stunning second for Blackburn. And once again, goalkeeper Wayne Hennessy wasn't sure. Shall he come? Shan't he come? In the end, he stays on his line. He got away with it the first time. The second time, he's paid the ultimate price. But watch that. How about that for a strike? It may take a little nick, actually, off George Delacobe, but I don't think it matters. And Steve Keane absolutely loved it. Will be that Mick McCarthy has to deliver the team talk of his life in a few moments. Here's Hoyland. Oh, beautifully done. Junior Hoyland. Fantastic goal. Well, Wolves have collapsed here. But Blackburn with so much to celebrate. That is the goal that surely ensures they will be playing Premier League football next season. There's no question about that. And what a goal to seal your fate as well. Not a good goal from his perspective. He must be really concerned now about his team. When he makes his entrance. Henry acting as a screen in front here, trying something different. It's a beautifully worked free kick, and who knows how important that goal could yet prove to be. It's a really clever free kick, straight from the training ground, and it's given Wolves a foothold back in the game. Could prove absolutely massive. And the hope is still strong out of his mouth, because suddenly things have twisted against Mick McCarthy and Wolves. The goal could be all they need, even in defeat. And come forward by the goalkeeper. Can Wolves do what Blackburn did to them? It's Hunt! Oh, it's beautiful! Stephen Hunt with a magnificent strike, and that could make all the difference to Wolverhampton Wanderers. Oh, what was that, Chan? We only need one goal. Well, they've just got it. Listen to the noise inside Molyneux. They can't believe it. And what a goal. It's a little bit like Blackburn's, isn't it? It's come from a goalkeeper's kick, but drops to Hunt. And that is an absolute beauty, isn't it? And right now, Wolves are still in the Premier League. Well, you talk about fine lines, because I've actually scribbled his name off my team.
Both teams secure Premier League football for another season.
There it is! Relief, mass relief for Mick McCarthy and Wolves. Beaten, but remarkably, they stay up. Blackburn securing their safety with victory. Wolves with that crucial goal from Stephen Hunt.